Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to convert PDF in a second using UPDF platform. You can convert within a second like a PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, Excel, CSV, RTF, text, image, XML, PDF and so many features. So how to do it? Let's check it out. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and just type here simply updf.com. Enter. The first link is display here. I already put this link in same video description. You just click here. So look at this. This is a platform. We make a PDF very simple way and professional PDF converter platform. So trial version is available. Support as a Windows and Mac operating system. Convert PDF and professional tools. So look at this here. So PDF to Word and some different options are available. Which option you want convert, accordingly you select and then convert. Now I will provide you demo. So first of all, you just simply download as a trial version. Otherwise you can buy. It's very small amount of price. As a download point of view, I am accessing on my Mac operating system. So UPDF convert with OCR. You just simply open your App Store in Mac, follow my instruction and just simply download this application. I already download and couple of times I'm using this application, one of the best application. After clicking open this application, so look at this is the application and you can convert as a PDF to different file format. But first of all, we can adding here one of my files. So first of all, I will show you, this is my PDF file like the covering letter. So I am added here and now I need to modify something. So that point of view, I convert this document as a Word format. Select here covering letter. So after selecting, this is my covering letter and here PDF options are available. You just simply click here in the three dots and here OCR, you active this one and select which language your content. So my content always in English, otherwise you can select here other different languages also available. So which language your content, accordingly select, apply to all, success. And now go. As a go point of view, I am accessing as a trial version, but if you need to subscription, you can subscribe 129 Danish krona for 1 year. As a quarterly 85 krone and some other features are available here, but we select here as a continue. As a clicking the continue, select your location. So I'm selecting here in my desktop location, save. So look at this, within a second convert this PDF as a doc. And now I open the doc. So look at this, I am open this one and then I can edit and modify and then again save this file. It's very simple process to convert PDF to Word format. Now we can convert this file as a text format, like text format. Go, continue, save the location. My location same as it is in desktop. So .txt file is come here. Data convert automatically on text format. If your data is a huge amount of PDF file and you are working on machine learning point of view, so you can convert your data as a text format also. So another options also available here, image, PNG, JPG, BMP, TIFF, GIG. So which format you want convert. So I select here in the JPG format. Go, continue, save the location. So look at this, I convert this file as a JPG format. It's very simple. Clarity is also good if you are zooming this data. So many features are available particular platform, so you can use this platform and enjoy those features. It's amazing. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.